All right, you see Karen Reed reacting to whatever is going on in terms of this questioning. Let's bring back in criminal defense attorney Jeffrey Wolf while we wait. Jeffrey, there have been some questions from our viewers about how many objections are happening and how many of those Commonwealth objections seem to be sustained. Are you picking up on that, and do you see a reasoning behind that? Is there something that Alan Jackson just continues to do?
Well, what he's doing is he is going to put this information in front of this jury, and he is going to show the jury that the prosecution does not want them to hear this. And what hopefully the jury is going to pick up on is that this is something the prosecution does not want them to know. The prosecution does not want them to know that people on the scene were friendly with that family and friendly with these people. And why does the prosecution not want them to know that? What are they afraid of? If there's nothing to hide, why don't they want to talk about it? Why do they believe that it is irrelevant? Why are they continuing to shut it down? Why is the judge playing along with that game? If there is nothing nefarious, why does nobody want to talk about it? That is something that as a defense attorney, I am routinely up against, and that they are finding themselves up against in this case, that there is information that the prosecution and the judge does not want the jury to hear about, and nobody wants to tell the jury why.
And just a quick follow-up, sometimes if it becomes frustrating, jurors pick up on it and you can use it to your advantage from a defense standpoint, correct?
Yeah, absolutely. And if you really want to get cheeky about it, you look at the jury and you say, here we are. It's these two versus me. And I'm just trying to get you the info.